Do you want to remove watermark in Kinemaster and want to get access to the latest features, effects and overlays? Hello friends, my name is Yasin Azimi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I have another awesome smartphone trick for you related to the Kinemaster. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you remove the watermark in Kinemaster and get access to the latest features, effects and overlays without buying any of them, and they are totally free, just by following a few simple steps. So stay tuned, watch this video step by step up to the end. So let's get started. Hey, if this is the first time you are visiting my YouTube channel and wanna get new tricks, so make sure you hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. It's totally free, you can subscribe right now. And you will get more new tech and internet tricks every day. I hope you guys will do it, right? So friends, I'm opening the Kinemaster. After opening this, I'm opening a project. So in here you can see that the watermark is available. So whenever you want to export this video, this will be available. So just we want to remove this one. And plus that one, you will have lots of new good things, such as effects. You can see that all of them are locked and you cannot get access to them. And in here you can see that in everywhere it is written that premium. So if you want to download this one, you will see that yes, you have to pay something. In here it is written that you have to pay something, and we don't want to pay anything, just we want to get it free. So in here you can see different effects, so we want to get all of them free. And if you go to here, overlay, then again you will see lots of new good things. You can see the numbers that you can add, the stickers and many other good things. That in all of them you can see that premium is written, that if you want to download this one. So again you will see that again the money, again you have to pay something. So we don't want to pay anything, just we want to get all of them totally for free. So just go back and just close this Kinemaster. Just open the Google and write in here kinemasterdigitbin.com. Yes, then after that just click on the first link. So many links are given, just click on the first one, then scroll down and you will get the option of download. So just scroll down. Yeah, in here it has been written that go to download page. Just click this one, then just scroll down, and I want to download the latest version. In here different versions are given: 4.8, 4.11, 4.12. so this is the latest version among all of them. So just I want to download this one. Click in here, download, and yes, it came. So just click in here, download, then after that again download. So just check your download page, downloads. Yeah, and here you can see that it is downloading, so it will take a few seconds. So friends, the download has been completed. Now go back. So before installing the new application, just try to uninstall the last application. So I'm uninstalling the last one. Okay, now it is getting done. Yeah, done. Then go back, go to my files and open the application that has been downloaded. Just click on here, install, and wait for a few seconds. Yes friends, you can see that this application has been installed. So just click on here, open. Then now, yeah, everything is available, everything for free, nothing to pay. Just click in here, allow. So allow Kinemaster to access photos, media and files. Yeah, allow. So now this is the golden Kinemaster. So whenever you want to have another project, just click on this one. Yeah, Then in here you will have the page. Yes, you can see that the watermark is not here and it has been removed. So suppose that you want to add any photo, so whenever you want to check here, so you can see the effects and there is no premium in here, so agree and continue. If you click on here premium, just click in here download. Now you will not see that link that you have to buy anything, so everything is free. Just go back. Suppose that you want to download this premium that earlier it was not available, so just download. Yeah, it is downloaded. So any of them, whatever you want, and go back and check overlay removed or not. And here just check any of them. Suppose that you want this one, national flags, so premium is written. So whenever you were clicking in here, a page was showing that you have to buy something, just click in here. Yes, you can see that it has been installed, so nothing to buy, just directly you will get that one. So that was the very simple trick for today. If you have found this video helpful, then give a like. If you have any question, then let me know in the comment section below. If you want your friends to get this knowledge, so share with them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now and click the bell icon, so I will send you a notification of every new video and you will not miss any of them. I have 2 other special videos for you in the right side. You can watch them as well. Thank you for watching. A world of gratitude. See you in the next video.